Hey, watch this, you too.
Oh, hell no. See you Sunday, right? Sunday's the day?
Yeah, Sunday.
Bro, I don't even, I got off, bro.
How do I do it?
Bro, give me my fucking setter.
No, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it.
Let's go. Fuck.
If you want, you can play up though.
I'm not a hitter. He asked for a one though.
Oh, you gotta serve. Blanc got here serving.
I'm running everywhere.
I'll make it anywhere, bro.
Max, I think that's game ball.
Hey, what position you play?
I'm a hip tight. I would be back.
What are you playing?
Server.
Server. I'll play server.
Ooh.
Finally.
Man.
Oh, shit, bro. What the fuck?
Dude, that's like two different balls.
Wait, what are you playing?
Hey, let Sadie join it. Sadie the best. Sadie better than that.
Oh, okay, Zach, join them.
No, I cannot make sense.
Sadie, get your ass over here.
Sadie the best.
Sorry.
First serve. Nice. All right.
He's so happy.
Hey,
Was that
Wait, nobody's playing up.
I thought you were.
Theo, get your ass back in the back row.
Hey, we got 10 out of 10 pass. Okay.
Service.
Easy. Right here.
Straight to net.
Hey,
Bloods win by one. What the fuck?
No, but that's not the off.
Bloods are winning.
In that car you in.
Wait, AJ, how do you like your
Uncle
Oh,
Jimmy.
so good.
Uncle Jim.
Oh. Here.
Oh, fucking.
Oh!
Crip made it tied. Oh, no.
Jack is on point. Did you give us a point?
Yeah, 1-1.
You bastard.
I'll hit anything.
You hit everything?
Service. Yeah, good touch, Isaiah. Good touch.
Nice. Bloods up by one.
Bro, I swear I'm not this bad, guys.
No, you're good.
No, bro, I was right here. I could have received it. He's like the bro for the whole bag.
He said I'll laugh at it.
No, it was coming at you.
Theo,
It is
you
your
dumb
ball,
as
but
fuck,
you guys
bro.
see what's out, man.
Oh, Zach, watch out, dude.
Dude, you dumb as hell, boy.
That was good.
Yeah, I could really
No, but
get
it's like
yourself
that.
down
We're not
right now.
sending. I just did this. I'll be honest.
I could really get yourself down right now.
Yeah, I did this. I'm already tired. I have to like.
I'm locking in. Wait, 1 point? Alright, guys, I'm locking in.
Outside.
Oh, hell, they jumped there. Yeah.
Oh! Guys, my ego's big, I'm not gonna lie.
Go for two.
Ow.
Do you block it, bit bushes?
Fuck.
I think you put like half a split.
That's not my mom. That's not my dog. Have a look.
Oh,
What the fuck, dude?
the one sitting on the bench?
My dumb ass thought it was sunshine, yo. I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked.
I thought I heard your name.
Come on, man. My name is
Wait.
Y'all guys, this one, my dinner.
Hey, she want me.
Dinner? Where? You marinated that shit? Yo, share the rest of us, bro.
Come on, Zach.
I should probably marinated, bro.
Service.
Yeah, it's my mom.
Ketchup.
Well,
I got a 67.
oh,
Thank you for your point.
hey, yo, the AC
You
the
failed?
chest over there. No,
I got 66.
Whoa!
Service.
Oh my
That's
God!
money. Money.
All right.
Stuff to put a-
Oh my God! I love you so much.
That was out.
That was
out.
Shut up.
Come on, Crips.
Ooh.
Crips.
Bro, we not
Bro, let's get that mouth, bro.
I'm tired, bro. You think L fail? Do you want to switch? That's that.
Watch it.
Yeah. You want to?
I want to.
Can you action over there? I am. Dude, I was not.
I too?
It's good. You get more PT.
Reggie,
Right,
you're
I was like,
all
you're not
getting
getting
PT.
You get more ball time.
Oh,
I got in trouble
Oh, I can hit middle.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
It's elbow.
I'm being dead ass. They gave me a down over the net.
Who was it?
I was like, this,
Service.
and they're like,
Oh my God, that's
the ACs are in.
that all me?
Yeah, like
Like, you're only good defense.
I'll get the next time.
service.
Aside from Sander.
Why play outside?
Because he's gay. Oh my God! Dylan!
Oh shit, I
Right
forgot.
on.
Oh, my bad.
He hit you with the high kick. Dude, I've had it since JV.
Oh hell no.
Dude, I've had it ever since JV.
I got it. Yes.
Oh, he does a burrow. He know about it.
That's what I saw Ivan do it. I was like, okay. I saw Ivan do it.
Oh. Oh, he does got it. He's the best.
That felt was insane.
I don't know why I'm so sweaty, to be honest. Like, I literally play middle, and then after that, I just come up skinny.
And him play outside.
I don't want to lock him out.
No. I'm
Sorry, you're supposed to stay back.
He said no.
I got it.
That's what happened. You go serving, bro.
He got hella scared when he said
Bye, bye.
Oh, he not
What the
hitting.
fuck?
Aiden, motivation. Come here.
Motivation.
Oh, Aiden, don't listen to Aiden. Don't listen to her.
Really?
Come on, we're up 3. All you.
Clearing.
Pass up. Oh, I have a girlfriend though. What?
Oh, never mind. I lied.
Fucking bitch. Yo, this guy's fucking
Motivation.
Motivation.
Oh, AC's got 80 points.
Serving.
He's busting a nut right now.
Why don't you adjust her? You do your adjust her.
Oh, shit.
But he forgot.
Motivation.
Aiden, what you doing? MPC.
Bro, imagine the hell I'm
Bro, Uncle Jimmy's disappointed, bro.
Motivation. Clearing.
It's okay, Uncle Jimmy.
He's the best. Oh my
Hey!
Motivation.
Oh, you can see his fucking tip.
That's motivation right there.
There's a barrel.
Oh.
Oh, I'm better nine. Clearing.
Net. Nice slugs, nice slugs.
Hey, make him run. That's like shot. Hey.
God damn!
You got it. Hey, can I go?
Service. Oh hell yeah.
Oh, wait, is that it? Right?
I know that ain't right.
Hey, that's our point.
That's not lying, bro. You part of the winning team, bro. You can't do that.
Oh my fuck.
Oh my god, best center, NA.
Over, please.
Bro, he's
let me
gonna
get
hit
that.
that, but he fucking changed it to platform.
My bad.
Yo, Reggie got 80 points.
I can
Hey, very good
Holy
guy
fuck!
That guy shot. I got next.
I got next. Or you play outside.
No, I'll just serve.
He's playing it.
Oh my god.
Hey, Isaiah, this way.
Hey, yeah, I got
Hey, fucking Reggie's bitch ass still grabbed it. Watch out, bro. That's my boy.
You.
Whoa!
Aiden said he got him.
He's literally sitting down.
Dude, you're not gonna get any playing team. You're not gonna get no PT, bro.
Aiden, he said he got it. Aiden was
I would have put my ass on you.
Tia.
It's done. Double.
What happened?
So, like, just,
I
that's
got
right.
it. Right here. Look at it. Oh my god.
Help me. Break. Over. 5.
Oh, 85.
Oh. That's good. 14. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to pull the sheet up. Hey, you making him jump over Max, bro? Damn, I see you. Making the comeback.
Hey, let me get that.
No, that wasn't him. That was me.
Bro, Uncle Jimmy, where's the carry? It is secret to football players.
I got it.
Service.
Ow!
I don't know, why'd you like this?
No, because I'm pressing above it so this one doesn't
Help me. Monkey. Uncle Jimmy from Detroit.
Service.
Detroit is crazy.
Grace that? Only Dylan Grace that ball. Oh, my bad. Yeah, because you're sitting. I'm not sitting. That's crazy, bro. I just play like shit now.
Taking the court.
We don't have a 6-foot frame.
Service.
She got that up. She got that up.
Service. Service.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my god, Uncle Jimmy too small. Uncle Jimmy too small. Hey, but he's not on the ground no more. Hey, he's outside here. No more LeBron.
Wait, where'd Theo go?
No.
Where'd Theo go?
That was a set.
Service.
Oh my god, Team Japan.
Service.
Susan likes running 6-2. Oh. Nice.
That was fucking
Oh my God. Hey, show good looking jump.
That was fucking perfect.
She's there. She's
I
there.
think that was better than my second.
First to 5 win by Duke. Oh, what? Damn.
Push one, push one.
No, let it drop because I was just obviously out, but.
How we do that?
Service.